These level 2 questions we're particularly looking at change and also the different ways that you might see money written. So in the first question, an apple costs 40p if I pay with a 50 pence. Well, 50 pence, that just means 50p. But when we say p, we're just shortening the word pence to its first letter. But that might be quite confusing the first time you see that. How much change do I receive? So the apple costs 40p, I pay with a 50 pence piece. How much change do I receive? So this is a straightforward subtraction. 50p minus 40p. 0 from 0 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. So I get 10p or 10 pence change. A toy truck costs £8.50. How much change will I get if I pay with a £20? So £20 minus £8.50. As with all decimals, it's very important that you line the numbers up correctly so that you're taking the right number away from the right number, as it were. 0 from 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 you can't do, and there's nothing to borrow here, so we need to go to the £20 and borrow 1 from there to make that 10, but we need to borrow again, so that will become 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 1 take away nothing is 1. So the toy truck costs £8.50 and I'm paying with a £20 note, so that means I will should get £11.50 change. Question number 3. You have £18 and you have to buy a lettuce for 47p, some potatoes for £2 and a joint of ham for £10.97. Do you have enough money to buy an ice cream which costs £2.84? So there's quite a lot of detail in that question, but let's take it one step at a time. Let's add up how much money the lettuce, potatoes and ham are going to cost. So the lettuce, 47p, which we'll have to express in pounds, so 0.47 pounds. Some potatoes for £2 and a joint of ham for £10.97. Now we see I haven't really left enough space for this, so I'm going to move that over. And this shows really I should have started with the biggest number first at the top of my list, and then I wouldn't have made that mistake. 7 plus 0 plus 7 is 14. 4 carry 1. 4 and 9 is 13, plus 1 is 14. 4 and carry 1. 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3 and 1. So the lettuce, potatoes and the joint of ham will come to £13.44 altogether. So that's the answer to the first question. And the next bit is how much change will you get? So we had £18. So £18 minus what we spent on the ham, lettuce and the potatoes, minus £13.44p. Again, we're going to have to borrow money, so that will become a 7, making that a 10 to start with, and then we need to borrow again, so it becomes a 9. So that's 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. Don't forget the decimal point. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the change would be £4.56. And the final part, do you have enough money to buy the ice cream? The ice cream costs £2.84. But £2.84 is less than £4.56. So yes, you can buy the ice cream. Question number 4. Paul wants to go to the cinema to watch Star Wars. The tickets are £4.50. Popcorn costs £2.50. Lemonade costs £1.50. And ice creams cost £2.50. How much money does Paul need to buy a ticket, popcorn, lemonade and ice cream? Okay. Everything's in pounds, so that makes this question quite straightforward. £4.50 for the ticket. £2.50 for the popcorn. £1.50 for the lemonade and £2.50 for the ice cream. So we need to add all of those things up together. First column 0. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that's 4 5s are 20. Down the 0, don't forget your decimal point, carry 2. 4 and 2 is 6, and 1 is 7, and 2 is 9, and 2 is 11. So Paul needs £11 altogether. 11, sorry, that's £11. Paul's friend goes with him to the cinema. He has £20 to spend and wants to buy a ticket, popcorn, lemonade and an ice cream. How much change will he get if he pays with a £20 note? Okay, I haven't really left myself enough space here, so let's make a bit more space. £20 minus £11. Well, that's quite a straightforward sum. 0, 0, you possibly don't even need to write it out as a vertical subtraction as I have done here. 0 minus 1 you can't do, so you need to borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 1 is 9. So Paul's friend will get £9 change.